C, D.
Action figure toy. Building block toy. Craft set toy. Dollhouse toy.
E is for electric train toy. Electric train toy. F is for fairy doll toy. Fairy doll toy. G is for glow worm toy. Glow worm toy. H is for hobby horse toy. Hobby horse toy.
E, F, G, H.
Electric train toy. Fairy doll toy. Glow worm toy. Hobby horse toy.
I is for imagine play toy. E imagine play toy. J is for jumping jack toy. J jumping jack toy. K is for kitchen set toy. Kitchen set toy. L is for light saber toy. Light saber toy.
I, J, K, L.
Imagine play toy. Jumping jack toy. Kitchen set toy. Lightsaber toy.
M is for magnetic toy. Magnetic toy. N is for number blocks toy. Number blocks toy. O is for ocean set toy. Ocean set toy. P is for puzzle toy. Puzzle toy.
M,
Magnetic toy.
N,
Number blocks toy.
O,
Ocean set toy.
P.
Puzzle toy.
Q is for quiet book toy. Quiet book toy. R is for robot toy. Robot toy. S is for stuffed animal toy. Stuffed animal toy. T is for train set toy. The train set toy.
Q,
Quiet book toy.
R,
Robot toy.
S,
Stuffed animal toy.
T.
Train set toy.
U is for unicorn toy. Unicorn toy. V is for vehicle toy. Vehicle toy. W is for wooden toy. Wooden toy. X is for xylophone toy. Xylophone toy.
U,
Unicorn toy.
V,
Vehicle toy.
W,
Wooden toy.
X.
Xylophone toy.
Y is for yo-yo toy. Yeah, yo-yo toy. Z is for zoo animal toy. Zoo animal toy.
Y,
Yo-yo toy.
Z.
Zoo animal toy.